Welcome to our giant soap factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how coconut-based ingredients are transformed into millions of luxurious...
Huge industrial reactors combine refined coconut oil with carefully measured ingredients to create the soap base.
Special fragrances and ingredients help create the signature luxurious experience. Every soap bar undergoes rigorous quality checks before reaching consumers.
And that's how millions of luxurious soap bars are made, from coconuts to beautifully packaged products used around the world.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and manufacturing documentaries.